everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a requested video. I'm going to show you how to achieve this eye look. This is the reverse cat eye. Now, I didn't do mine very dramatically. I'm not one to do a dramatic wing liner, so if you want to see how to do this, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, let's get started. I've already put the primer on my eyelids, so I'm going to start with a nice neutral shade. I'm going to go with this one right here, and I'm going to set that primer. I'm going to go over the lid as well. We are going to use very minimal eyeshadow. This look is all about the liner and not the shadow. You don't want to use a lot of shadows on your upper lid for this liner look to work out. So next, I'm going to go with a transition shade. I'm not going to go in anything too dark. I think I am going to use this brown on this end right here. And on this, I'm going in the crease like so, and I'm going to just kind of push some color right in here. You want really all the drama to be on your lower lash line, not above. Or if you do too heavy of an eyeshadow and a heavy liner on top, it's just going to ruin the whole look. So you just keep that in mind when you do this on for yourself. There we go. And that's the eyeshadow. Plain and simple. Now, a lot of people are doing this, the reverse cat eye with the black liner. You can use any color liner you want. Us mature ladies, you know, we like to stick with a little more neutrals. I've decided to do dark blue. I'm using my Gentle Blue liner in dark brown. Did I say blue? I mean brown. I'm using a dark brown. Now, what you do first is tight line the waterline on your lower lashes with the brown. So I'm hoping I stay in frame here. My eyes are watering, sorry about that. Okay, after you tight line the lower lash line, you're going to use your liner and stick as close to the lash line as possible right underneath your eye. You don't want a lot of color down. You want to keep it up as much as possible. And so I'm going to carefully draw my line right here. I'm not doing the cat eye part yet. I'm bringing it all the way over into the corner here. You need to do that as well, all the way over. And do it on both sides. Now, you see what I did? This is what I usually do. This will help determine where you want that cat eye to go. You can bring your color out And you don't want to do a huge cat eye. Well, you can draw your cat eye all the way up to your hairline if you want to. It's your look. I am just putting a little color and then dragging it with my finger. I find that looks more natural for me. I'm going to go just a teeny bit, you'll see, on the upper lash line. Just a teeny bit to make it cohesive. You see that? And then I'm going to do the other side. And bring in my finger to help blend that out. Upper, just a little. Just a little. Now, what I'm going to do, I am going to go back into my palette and I am going to use this brown eyeshadow. This goes for any kind of liner, whether you're doing cat eye or not. If you tend to have your liner run during the day, set it with eyeshadow because it's like setting your foundation with powder. It's going to keep it in place. So I'm going to use a liner brush like this. I'm going to go into that brown and now I'm going to go over my liner. Make sure you can see. And I'm going to flick it out. I am not one to do a crazy cat eye. I think you guys know that. There's that one. Let me see, do I want to do any? I think that's as much of a cat eye as I really want. I don't know if you guys can see, I have a scar. I have a scar right here, and it is so hard for me to do a cat eye with that scar. It really, the makeup doesn't want to set correctly. So that's the main reason I don't really do a cat eye. But there we go. Now, you guys know me, the signature piece for me, I need a little glitter in the center of my eye. So I've got my Stila Glitter and Glow in Diamond Dust. And I mean, the look looks fine like this, but I'm gonna add a little glitter in the center of my eyelid because that's what I do. I want just a little. Just a little drama in the center. Now, let's put some mascara on. I don't recommend false lashes with this look because it'll be too dramatic on the top, but just using your regular mascara will be fine. So let's put some mascara on. I am using Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. Okay, there we go. I am done. What do you think? Is this something you want to try? It's really easy. For me, it's easier to do a reverse cat eye than it is to do a regular cat eye. I just have so much trouble trying to do it on my upper lids. If you have hooded eyes, this is the perfect solution if you want that cat eye look. Because when you have hooded eyes, you don't have a lot of space up here. And doing a regular thick wing liner takes up a lot of room. But if you put it on the bottom, then you've got plenty of room. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. I'll be glad to help you out with this. And guys, if you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Thanks for spending some time with me, and I'll see you next time.